Hello everyone, this is Dr. Renita Wellman. I'm your instructor for this course. Right now I'm looking at Introduction to Psychology, Psychology 1012. However, this may be helpful for other courses, so don't be surprised if you're in another course with a different section number and find yourself looking at this video for another class. Right now we have a discussion requirement for week 3. Right here we can see that, and it requires a peer-reviewed journal article. Let's look at how we do that. I'm going to take you to your home page where you can see the faculty email or online. You won't see faculty email, but you will see online library. So we have the KeiserLibrary.com, and when you click on that, that will take you to this page. I want you to go to databases to find something that's a peer-reviewed journal. So we're going to click on databases, and then we're going to look at the database list. Now to go in there to select from the list, you could type in PsycArticles, which is right there. We can start with that. You could also use ProQuest. Let's use PsycArticles to find something. Here we are in PsycArticles, and it says APA PsycArticles. And you can also choose other databases. Let's look here at sex education, or we could look at, let's look at sex education as a subject and go to search. This gives about 120 articles, so that's quite a few to choose from. Let's look over here and make sure that we have our limiters. We have a full text, and we have publication dates from 1909 to 2019. I think 1909, which is 100 years ago, is a little old for an article. So let's scooch this up to about 2000. This is updated. And now we have 22 articles. These are more recent. We're also, and it shows here, this is 2000 to 2019. Full text articles. Here we have all results, all journals, peer-reviewed journals. Well, we might as well click on peer-reviewed journals. It's not going to change the number, but it's a good practice. So here we have a few articles. These are by relevance. So you can check here and see if they're the oldest, newest, the source. Maybe you're interested in a specific journal, so we can go to sources. And we have American Psychological Association, Educational Publishing Foundation, and you can see how the sources, the publishers, are in alphabetical order. Well, actually, here we have American Psychological Association again. So here we have the effects of teen pregnancy prevention program on teens' attitude towards sexuality. This might be interesting, so I'll click on this. Here I have an opportunity to look at the abstract and see if that's interesting to me. If I like it, since we have teen pregnancy prevention evaluation, teen attitudes towards sexuality, it's very interesting. So I'm going to look at that. I'm going to find, before I begin, I'm going to read the abstract carefully. This is a school-based teen pregnancy program. So that sounds good because we're looking at the difference between school and education in the home. Let's look at this. We have a citation. So this would be how you get your reference, the citation format. Now this would be your end of text citation. We go down here till we get to the APA, American Psychological Association, and click on that and copy it. And you're going to post that into your paper. To look at the article, you can go to HTML full text or PDF full text. Sometimes it's easier to do a search through HTML, but you also might want to see what it looks like when it was published. So this is what the paper would have looked like when it was published. Yeah, and it's kind of interesting to see. And then you can see here the page numbers, and that's what's helpful about a PDF. Now if you see over here you always have the citation option to click onto as well. So I'm going to go to the Word document, and this is where I have already pasted one of the sources I found earlier. To get these over here, you just slide this over. Here. And if you wanted to slide this one over, I would copy that. There you are. Okay, so that's how you would find your references for your discussion this week. And when you would cite using Thomas and Dimitrov, 2007. You might also want to cite McMahon et al. 2019. So those would be your citations in your text. I hope that's helpful to you, and I look forward to reading what you have to say on teen pregnancy, being educated in the classroom.